Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private. Keeping your account private ensures that only people you approve can follow you and view your videos, giving you more control over your content and privacy. Open the TikTok app. This is the platform most people use for creating and sharing short videos. Now, see the profile logo located in the T corner of the screen and tap on it. Next, see the menu symbol, 3 horizontal lines in the corner of the screen and tap it. This opens the menu options. Now, select Settings and Privacy to access all the configuration options for your account. Now, tap on Privacy. Here, you'll see several privacy-related options, including the one for making your account private. Look for Private Account and toggle it on. Once this is activated, only users you approve can follow you and view your content. Anyone else who tries to follow you will need your approval first. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. With these simple steps, managing your apps and optimizing your Android phone has never been easier.